Hello students, let us solve question B of question number 1 sub question B of exercise 1.2. We have to solve this question. We have to find the pair of integers whose difference is minus 10. Now we can think of plus A and plus B and whose difference should be minus 10. Here both integers are positive and we are taking their difference. So it can be plus A after opening the bracket. As there is a negative sign outside the bracket, it is minus b equal to minus 10. Now we can think of two numbers where one of the number have the positive sign, one of the number has negative sign, and answer is negative. So naturally this minus sign will be followed from b and b should be greater. So we can think of a as plus 10 and this b as minus 20. So here we will take the difference as signs are different and that difference will be 10 and this sign will be followed which will be minus. So we can think of a as plus 10 and b as, note that minus b is equal to minus 20, that means b can be considered as only 20. So this can be the first pair of integers where difference will be minus 10. Note that both A and B are positive. Now there are more other possibilities. Suppose if I consider A as negative and B as positive, then it can be plus A. So we have to imagine A as negative. So minus A, let us solve here, minus A and B as positive plus B should be equal to minus 10. So open the bracket, minus open, minus A minus B, there is a positive sign, there should be no change, there is a negative sign, so inner sign will change, is equal to minus 10. Now we can think of two numbers whose signs are same and we will do the addition. So here we have many options. We can think of minus 7 minus 3, that can be minus 10. Note that 7 and 3 are less than 10. So here it can be one more solution. We can think of minus a is equal to minus 7. So first integer can be minus 7 and second integer can be, we want 3. We are considering b as 3. So we can think the first integer which is negative integer as minus 7 and the positive integer as plus 3. And if we take the difference, answer will be minus 10. There is one more possibility. Here both are positive. Here one negative, one positive. And let us consider both negative. That is minus a and minus b should be equal to minus 10. So it can be minus a plus b is equal to minus 10. So both the numbers have different signs. As signs are different, they will follow the sign of greater number. Here a should be greater. So this question turns out to be similar to this question. We can think of a as suppose minus 60 and b can be 50. So it will give the minus 10. So minus a will be minus 60 and the second integer is, we are considering b as 50, so minus b will be minus 50. So here one positive sorry, both negative integers we are taking their difference, and difference comes to be minus 10. Note that all these, in this question we have the infinite pair of solutions, infinite pair of answers. So you can try other question also. Here both positive and we are taking difference. Here this is negative, this is positive, we are taking difference, and here both are negative. I hope you have understood this question. You can try many other pairs on your own.